Alright, so this looks pretty straightforward actually. Of course, it's supposed to be plug and play, so this plugs into this end here. Well, sorry. This end here that I have in my hand is going to plug into the pump wiring harness, and this, which looks like the pump male end, will plug into my old existing socket into the female side of where the pump used to plug into, which will still give me my fuel level reading. Okay, then it goes from there, which is just behind the back seat, through to a relay that has a chassis ground, so that'll be grounded underneath the chassis, and then the only other connection is to the alternator. So really straightforward. I don't like playing with electricity, and I'm the shits with wiring, but this I think I can manage. So I'll try to set up a light underneath the car and see what we can manage. Should go well. Female end, male end. Hopefully they click together easily enough. Okay, that looked like a good solid connection. Of course there's going to be shit that falls. Feels like it's clicked in well. I don't know if the pump doesn't prime. Now I was thinking of running wiring along here. I've got a bracket there. I could easily, you know, put a bracket there. Holds that. Another bracket further down here. I don't know how much you can tell, but you can see the black loomed wire. I mounted it to the fuel filter frame and grounded it there. And then from here you can see the loom. I've got all the way to the front, past the transmission cross member, up to the front, and up to about where my oil pressure sending unit and the oil feed for the turbo is, just at the firewall on the driver's side. So I'm gonna go up to the top and see where I can run that wire up to the alternator. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I might as well get a flashlight here. So I ran that Hotwire kit just up my firewall here, and it actually looks like I've got quite a bit of wire, probably like 6 feet worth. Hangs off the front of the car, really. You can see here, hangs off the front of the car. So I could probably plumb this Hotwire kit up the firewall, along the fender, and then, you know, from the fender over here to the sorry guys, over here to the alternator somewhere. So I'm gonna leave it at that for now. It's getting dark, it's getting cold,